Welcome back. Oven broiled T-bone steak with chimichurri Argentinian style and a bed of sauté potatoes. Go nowhere. This is a winner. Let's create. So what we have, we have this beautiful T-bone steak. It's about 1 inch thick. And this is going to be very simple because I'm going to be broiling it in the oven. I'm going to use some olive oil of size. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sea salt, because that's all you need: sea salt, salt and pepper, and to be a little bit generous. Some pepper. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I have the steak in a cast iron, and I'm going to put it, because it's in broil and it's already preheat, I'm going to put it close to the coil. Not too close, but about, let's see, maybe 5-6 inches away. And I'm going to cook one side for 7 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it and cook it for 6 minutes the other side. I'm going to saute some potatoes. I cut them in medallions, somewhat thin. And I'm going to saute them because they're going to complement my steak. Now I'm going to let this baby rest for 5 minutes. So what I did, I created a bed of sautéed potatoes, which you saw me sauteing earlier. I have my Argentinian chimichurri, which I prepared yesterday, and it's overnight. Look how pretty it looks. And let me put some chimichurri. Look at this baby. Look at this chimichurri.